Tezos Staking Crypto Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this review, we'll dive into Tezos, one of the most established blockchain platforms offering staking services. Tezos is designed to be a self-amending blockchain with an emphasis on security, scalability, and energy efficiency. It's aimed at both experienced crypto users and newcomers who want to stake their assets in a trusted, sustainable environment. So, let's break down what Tezos has to offer and how it performs in real-world use. First off, Tezos offers an easy-to-use staking mechanism where users can delegate their XTZ tokens to a validator to earn rewards. The process is straightforward and doesn't require you to lock up your tokens for a set period, providing flexibility compared to other platforms. Staking on Tezos can be done with a minimal fee and minimal technical knowledge, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Tezos stands out with its unique on-chain governance model, allowing stakeholders to vote on protocol upgrades, making it a true decentralized platform. This ensures that changes to the network are made with the consensus of the community. The rewards for staking Tezos are competitive, typically ranging between 5 to 7% annually, and these rewards are distributed regularly. Additionally, there are no slashing penalties, which means you won't lose your staked tokens due to validator performance issues, adding an extra layer of security for users. The platform's security features are robust, and its low energy consumption is a major selling point in a world where sustainability is increasingly important. Tezos operates on a proof-of-stake (POS) model, which is significantly more energy efficient than traditional proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin. This means that Tezos offers a greener alternative for those concerned about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency. In terms of usability, Tezos offers a seamless experience through various wallets and third-party apps, making it easy to delegate, monitor your rewards, and manage your staking. It's also supported by a growing number of exchanges, providing users with more options for interacting with the platform. To sum up, Tezos is an excellent choice for anyone looking to stake their tokens on a secure, scalable, and environmentally friendly platform. With its user-friendly interface, competitive rewards, and strong community governance, it's a top contender for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a reliable staking platform with real-world usage and strong long-term potential, Tezos is definitely worth considering.